Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I made this soft fluffy yellow sugar bread. Let's get started. Into a bowl you want to sift in some hard flour, which is also known as bread flour. I'm using 4 cups of that. You can use more or less of the flour. Now I went in with some nutmeg for flavor and I added some sugar. I'm going to go ahead to add my yellow food color. I'm using the powdered one. So I'm just adding this to the dry ingredients. I'm mixing everything together, and now we want to create a well, and then we go in with our margarine. The margarine is salted, but you can add a little bit of salt if you feel you need that. But since the margarine is salted, there is no need adding salt to it. You might end up destroying your whole bread recipe. So just do it as you see in this video. Now use your hands to mix everything together. You want to mix everything until you stop seeing the white flour. So put your hand under your bowl and then bring the down one up, and then make sure you mix it very well to ensure that you have this crumbling feel. And there is no white flour. You can't see any white flour. Everything should be well coated. Now go in with your yeast after that, and then you mix everything together, and you want to add some warm milk. Yes, warm milk, not hot milk. If you use hot milk, it's going to destroy your yeast. So you want to use warm milk that is warm to the extent that even a baby can have it. So that is the type of warmth we are talking about here. Note that you can either use water or milk for this recipe. Use your hands to mix this, and we are going to form a dough with this. You can use your stand mixer if you have that available. If you don't, then you want to go through this stress to achieve whatever we want to achieve to make this bread. So you want to add your water bit by bit. Do not pour everything into the flour or into your bowl like this. So just do it bit by bit until you achieve something just like this. Now you have to get a flat surface, and then you flour the surface. This is going to prevent your dough from sticking onto the surface. So you sprinkle some flour on it, and then we are going to knead this. When you are kneading this with your manpower, you have to knead this for about 35 to 1 hour, depending on the quantity of dough. So just do that until you achieve something like this, and then you transfer this into a bowl, and you are going to cover this and keep it in a warm place for 60 minutes or 90 minutes. Just do that and come back when it doubles in size like this. Punch it to take the excess air, and now we transfer it back onto our flat surface. So you want to put it back onto the work surface, roll this out and divide it into the sizes you want to roll it into. So just divide it. I'm not using any scale here. I'm just using my eyes to gauge this into 2 equal halves, and I'll put one aside, and I'm going to flatten this. If you have a rolling pin, you can go ahead and use the rolling pin to do this and roll it out like this. Just roll it, fold it in just like this, and when you get to the end, make sure you pinch it to close it so that when the bread is rising or the dough is rising, it would not open. So something like this is okay. Grease your pan and flour it, and then transfer your bread dough into it. Now we are just dividing this into smaller pieces, which we'll use to make the smaller version. We are going to put this in a warm place to allow it to rise for about 25 to 30 minutes, and this is what we have. Bake this for 25 minutes, and this is what we have here. Our bread is ready and it's so soft and fluffy. If you want to make this type of bread, then you should read the caption to get all the details you need to make this. This looks beautiful and it tastes so great. And make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, share it to your friends and loved ones, and then comment your thoughts. in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.